Hey, it's Tony from nFISHn. Another Nebraska weather messed up fest. It's blustery wind, fall's kicking in. It's cool, but it's 25 to 30 mile an hour winds. We're gonna give it a shot. We'll be all over the place today. We'll be at the bridge. We'll try them all, see where we can find a bite. But we'll probably, I have a feeling the bridge is gonna produce. So let's go, let's go. Our first stop today is gonna be this bridge. Looks like the water's up as opposed to a lot of places, so we're gonna give it a shot. Maybe there's a walleye hanging out, maybe there's some crappie, maybe there's a catfish again, so let's go. Well, you always got to record these moments because you never know when you're gonna slip and fall, right? So you need to make sure that you capture that moment on film if possible. It's good for the YouTube channel and the TikToks. Everybody likes a train wreck. Oh, it's windy down here, folks. I might have to go get my jacket. We'll be okay. Somehow, we'll make it work. We always do. And it's windy. Alright, I'm gonna go get my jacket. Ain't gonna work. So I'm wearing a jacket. Alright. We got a pile of old rotten worms. See if we can get it out there. See what happens. It wasn't the best cast ever, but let it go. Right there. You never know. Hopefully, something's biting. See what's going on this blustery fall day. Crazy. It's crazy. It's just too much wind everywhere. Feels like a crappie, little crappie. Yeah, might have to use him for bait, folks. Might have to use this guy for some bait. Perfect little bait. Find some more crappie. Oop, fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Here we go. Fish on. Got something. I got to get this other one on in. All right. Hopefully he's still on there. Yep. Still on there. Let's bring him over here so we can see him better. What do we got? Oh yeah. Drumfish. Thank you. Thank you. Got your mouth full of that one, didn't you? Upside down. Alright. Under the bridge. Under the bridge. Under the wind. All right, buddy. There you go. Got us some broken line here. Somebody's line. Ain't mine. All right. Well, we'll take that on a day like this, you know? Jeepers. All right, let's see if we can get something else going here. It's encouraging, not disparaging. All right, kind of got it out there in a different spot now. Oops. It's still windy. and it sucks, but we're catching fish. It's windy and it sucks, and we're catching fish. All we need now is Mr. Walterhead to show up, and that would make me happy, happy, happy. I guess the fish don't really care if it's windy too much, as long as the water's wet. What is this business? Oh, I got a fish on. A little smallie probably. Oh yeah, it's a walleye. There we go. Dang. People on a crappie. On crappie chunks on a jig, man. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, yeah. Yeah. Sweetness. Take that. There you go. Definitely. Yeah. Yep. That's it right there, brother. That was in close and tight. Didn't even have not enough time. Yeah, yes. That's win right there, brothers. Win. Now, there wasn't much footage. Come in here and grab that pretty dang tight. That has to be one of the strangest walleye catches. I thought it was a smallmouth, man. Yeah, you were angry, dude. All right, call that good. All right, let's go ahead and get the board on it, just out of curiosity. A little crappie turned into a my crappie turned into a walleye, and a good one at that. It's a pretty good trade-off. Alright, guy. Yep. Just like I thought. It's actually a 19-incher. 19-inch walleye. Alright. Sweet. Ain't complaining about that, are we? Gonna get another one. Walleye wind. Walleye wind. Ooh, got another hit, dude. Stacked up in here. Alright. Maybe in tight. What are the chances of that happening again? You never know. In Nebraska, expect the unexpected. I don't even understand. Just a blessing from God, I guess. No use to think about anything else. Here we go. Be the one. Be the walleye. Be an angry walleye. Oh, it's all angry smallmouth. All right, we'll take it. Taking it. Oh, is it? All right, it's a smallmouth. Woo! All right. Yes. Yes. All right. Hitting that seam coming off the point with the crankbait is working pretty dang good. Yeah, at least one fish. All right. That was a good hit right there. All right, he's a nice little football, probably about 14 inches. Let's take a look, see. Measure. Yeah. The wind can stop anytime, but it won't. All right. Yep. Right at 14. Right at 14. All right, let's get a quick pick. Let's get him back in. We'll call that battery good. All right, see you later, little buddy. All right. Yes. All right, man. Pretty pumped. The old wind howling here in Nebraska. means fish catching time. You can find a line. You can find a line. A lot of places, people are just tanking right now. All right. Maybe sitting down again will work. Huh? Maybe. All right, things are starting to calm down. We got winds about 20 with gusts at 30. So, sun's almost going down. We're about close to going home. Giving it one more good run, see what happens here. If we can catch it. Another Walter going in. Been slow going the last hour, so we'll see. Could be kitty time. See another Walter. Another Walter. Would be nice. All right. Call that good right there. That's going to be our cast. Hanging our hat on that cast. All or nothing. We'll take it. I should just hold it. Yeah, just gonna hold it. We basically went with 2 jigs, chunks of crappie on it, 1/4 ounce jigs, short shank jigs with some crappie fillets on it. That's what I cut the walleye on. Let's see if it works again. If not, it was just pure blind dumb luck and a really dumb walleye. The old canal. You never know. You never know what's gonna be running down the canal here. Sun's going down, man. It dropped. Gotta check real quick. While we're waiting for a bite, angry. While we're waiting for a bite, oh yeah, while we're waiting for a bite, oh there you go, there you go, buddy. While we're waiting for a bite, put him in the bucket. In the bucket. All right, we're gonna call this the last cast, folks. Oh yeah, sure is a big difference when there's no wind. All right. Oh yeah, something on it already. We got a little bit of battery left. All right. What we're looking for is that flathead. Walleye and flathead for supper. Sure sign falls here. If you didn't already see the leaves changing. So, duh. All we need is a walleye. What a nice channel. I think a flathead would eat some of that crappie fillet. Just one more fish. One more. Time to catch a fish. All right. It went down as soon as I turned my camera down. Now, we'll see what we got. Got my wish. And I'm hoping we got a walleye here. Hoping. Come on. And not be a drum. Take a channel. And take a flathead. He's. Oh, there he goes. Okay, he's running on me. Oh boy, this old reel. All right, I guess that feels like a flathead now all of a sudden. Let's go. Drag peeler. All right, I'm gonna say it's gonna be a flathead since I haven't seen it yet. I got 12-pound line. I'm right here on a bass pole again. All right. I know I got a good hookup. Oop, there he goes again. All right. Let's not get too rambunctious here. Just gotta be able to move them. This is like the slowest reel ever. All right, feel like we're getting closer. All right. Don't be a carp. I'd be so mad if you're a carp. Please don't be a drum. But I have a feeling you're a little flathead. Oh, there he goes. Maybe not so little. All right. Maybe a walleye. Maybe a Walter. We just keep on cranking. What do we got? Oh yeah. It's a big drum, I think. Big old drum, I think. Or a catfish. Oh yeah, it's a nice channel. All right. Nice channel. Yep. Oh yeah. All right. Oh, don't go anywhere yet, buddy. All right. Little slimer. All right. All right, here we go. Nice little catfish there. I think he will make it our food tonight. There he is. Guess that's what we're eating. There he is. All right. Let's put him on a... There he is, folks. Big old channel cat. Maybe a 7-8 pounder. Little 7-8 pounder. All right. Yes, he's going home. Supper for us. All right. Into the bucket you go, mister. All right, we're going to call that feeding the family. Feeding the family. Adios. All right. Oh, what a night. We ended up catching that 8-pound catfish at the end to round out our stringer. So we're bringing home a 19.5 or 19-inch walleye and a 8-pound channel cat to eat. So we're pretty satisfied with that, and I'm satisfied with that, and my wife knows, so she's satisfied too. So we're gonna get up on out of here, and we'll get that cooked up within the next couple days, and some of it put away in the freezer for later. So this is Tony from nFISHn. We'll talk to you later. Please like and subscribe and leave those comments if you liked what you saw today with our content. So take care. God bless. Bye bye.